Howdy, howdy, howdy. It's Uncle Rusty back here with you today. And for this Fatwood Friday and Fixed Blade Friday, I used my fixed blade today. Well, I had to go to work and I figured I had to replace my screen protector on my watch. So why not just do a video and show these guys how to do it? Because I break about I don't know how often. I'm always going around slinging my arms and stuff and breaking things. Uh, this is just I think it's just a peel apart, and yeah, you just peel it off and put it on there. So we're just gonna wipe it down with the alcohol wipe and clean it first, like the instructions said. Then you can pretty much figure out what else to do from there on. And this is the Galaxy 6 Classic. So it's not hard if you ever get stuff like this happen. Even with your phones and stuff, if the cameras break or anything like that, you can get the little kits off Amazon. I'll try to put a link in the description below for this thing. These are universal screen pads. Do they say? They don't say what's on them. I'm guessing they're all wet wipes or alcohol wipes, whatever you want to call them. Remember, they used to give these out or something similar after you would while you were eating wings and stuff back in the day at the restaurants. I remember like Fats, and I want to say Pizza Hut or somewhere used to give these things out. But they were a lot bigger. They folded out bigger, but you know, they were the little alcohol sanitized wipe things that you could wipe your hands after eating some wings. I distinctly remember that. I don't see those floating around anymore. They need to get some of those out since they're saying, I don't know, all this COVID and everything is going around. How about throw some wipes back to keep some stuff clean? There's supposed to be some stickers in here to like get the dust off and everything, but I guess we're just gonna work with what we got, do the best we can to not have any dust trapped up under here. I can still see a little bit there. You can see everything with these polarized lenses. Helps you see everything better. Even whatever that is, just move with my finger, but wouldn't move with the cloth. This got to come out of there. I think that's some gunk from what was there previously, where the screen protector was there previously. But yeah, stuff like this might be tedious and all that, but it just takes time, some a little bit of time out of your day. Might ruin whatever you're doing or whatever, but it's got to get done. It's just called upkeep and maintenance. Just like going to the bathroom or anything else, eating, brushing your teeth, all that good stuff. So yeah, this is just one you drop down on there. Awesome. Let's try to get it the best we can. There we go. You can see it kind of just like the glue or whatever, the adhesive just kind of smooths all around there. You want to lay it flat, I guess, for the best results. I always try to let it go flat, and then if it don't, so you can see a little excess there at the ends. Just give it a second, but if it don't do anything, just you rub your finger around the edge and push some air bubbles out. This is just my method. Y'all might have a card or something like that you use. It's all about preference, and as long as you get it done, you guys, that's all that matters. And as always, as I say always, God loves you, so do I. Stay blessed.